Hello and welcome all German learners to the Deutsch Lernen channel. I'm here to make learning German very fun and easy way for you. Let's jump in and have a great time learning together.
Sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen. When introducing yourself to new people, there are 4 key verbs in German language, commonly used to make connection and share information. Sein, heißen, kommen, and wohnen. In the German language, there are 2 ways to introduce yourself to others. First, the formal way. In professional situation, use this method with co-workers or clients. Also, when we speak with the older people or strangers, it shows respect. Second, the informal way. We use this way to communicate with friends and family. Let's look at some examples to understand the main idea. Wie heißen Sie? Formal. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? Informal. Wie heißt du? Pay attention to verb conjugation with sie and du. The both mean you in English. You can use sie in a formal way and du in an informal. I will talk about them in upcoming videos. Wer sind Sie? Formal. Wer sind Sie? Wer bist du? Informal. Wer bist du? Ich bin Erik. Ich bin Erik. Ich heiße Erik. Ich heiße Erik. Mein Name ist Erik. Mein Name ist Erik. You can use any of them to say your name. Woher kommen Sie? Formell. Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommst du? Informell. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus England. Ich komme aus England. Wo wohnen Sie? Formell. Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnst du? Informell. Wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in Basel. Ich wohne in Basel. Did you notice something? We use the verb come when we talk about the home country. And using the verb wohnen when we talk about the town that we live in.
Did you notice also that we use with the verb kommen preposition aus? It means out in English to indicate origin or movement out of something. And use with the verb wohnen in to indicate location or position.
Ich bin Eric. You can also use the verb heißen or mein Name ist. Ich komme aus England. Ich komme aus England.
Ich bin 28 Jahre alt. Ich bin 28 Jahre alt.
Don't worry if you don't see the numbers lesson. It will be displayed in the top corner and in the description below. Ich wohne in Basel. Ich wohne in Basel.
Excellent. I just hope you understand this lesson.
Hey, please, just a second. I just want to make sure that you have fully benefited from the lesson. So, I have a good idea. Before the lesson, going to the end, I have a very simple quiz for you. Ich, Punkt. You can use verb heißen. Ich, Punkt, Jahre alt. Ich, Punkt, München. Ich, Punkt, in Genf. If you got the answer or have a question, please write it in the comments. If you like my video, thumbs up would mean the world to me, and subscribe my channel to get all new videos. Thanks for watching.